Hello everyone, in front of me is TCL for the NxtPaper, and let me show you how to change keyboard language. First of all, open new message or any other area where you can input some text. Well, here it is. Here you've got it. Now tap on settings icon, select languages, choose add keyboard, select the language that you want to use, and tap on done. You can either search for language just by sliding, or you can use the search button and provide it here. Then select, tap on done. So let me remove a few languages. This is how you can remove languages. Obviously, you can stay with one language only, but if you have more, you will notice this word icon here, which is for changing the language. So smoothly by tapping here, you can change keyboard language. If you have one language only, and this icon will disappear. So that is all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.